A garage door bending in the middle is more than just an eyesore. It signifies deeper structural issues. Misaligned tracks or damaged panels can lead to significant malfunctions, threatening your garage's safety and functionality. In humid climates like Panama City, rust and material degradation often exacerbate garage door problems over time. Identifying the cause of bending early can save homeowners from extensive repairs and costly replacements later. Misaligned tracks cause stress, leading to visible warping, often triggered by loose bolts or accidental impacts. Damaged or weak panels fail to support the door's weight, causing further bending and compromising its integrity. Torsion spring problems may lead to uneven lifting and heavier door movements, signaling immediate attention is required. To prevent future bending, schedule routine maintenance. Regular inspections can catch minor issues before they escalate. Weatherproofing your garage door can protect against moisture, rust, and the damaging forces of extreme weather. Stay proactive and maintain your garage door's functionality. Before you know it, you'll keep it looking great for years.